Summer 2016 at Samford University. It's a summer of progress, pushing dirt and building for the future. Where do we start? How about with the new East Campus, home to Samford's College of Health Sciences? We started with a refit project and are close to opening state-of-the-art facilities, amazing learning space and labs for students in nursing, pharmacy, public health, and health professions. Work is also underway on connecting the campus, making access to both much easier. Speaking of facilities, a new residence hall for Greek life is on its way. This space is located near West Campus, on the site of Old Ramsey Hall. And more projects are taking shape. Updates to the Wright Center, paving of campus roads, and updated space in Swearingen Hall for our talented interior architecture students. And let's not forget about parking. A new lot is on its way. It's near the West Gate on the south side of campus. All in all, a busy summer and lots of upgrades on the way for students when they return for the fall semester. I'm Brad Radici, Samford University.